722 BCE. The Assyrian throne flips fast after Shalmaneser V. Sargon II steps in, maybe usurper, definitely ruthless. Rebels crushed in Babylon. Assyrian control over Israel and Syria hardens. He turns warfare into logistics. Break elites, move populations, plug them into the imperial machine. Brutal, but effective. With the taxes and tribute flowing, he dreams big. A brand new capital rises. Dur-Sharrukin, Fort Sargon, palace sprawling over courtyards, walls carved with conquests, colossal Lamassu guardians. It's propaganda you can walk through. Power isn't just muscle, it's narrative. In his inscriptions, Sargon is undefeatable. In letters, you glimpse the grind, King micromanaging it all. Still, the empire swells. Campaign in the mountains of Anatolia, Tabal territory step raiders in the mix. Sargon dies in battle, no body recovered. For the ancient Assyrians, that's not just tragic, it's cosmic bad luck. His heir, Sennacherib, won't even finish or live in Dad's shiny new capital. Dur-Sharrukin gets abandoned, a ghost city almost from birth. That's Sargon II's paradox. The king who could move nations but couldn't move fate. He built a city to immortalize himself. A missing corpse rewrote the story. Today, his Lamassu stand in museums, iron fire paperwork.